Earlier this year, teams with NASA's Exploration Ground Systems began installing and testing these emergency egress baskets at Launch Pad 39B at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The baskets are in preparation for the agency's crewed lunar missions, starting with Artemis 2. If an evacuation at the launch pad is necessary, astronauts and other personnel will use the egress baskets to quickly evacuate from the mobile launcher. You're getting a sped-up, first-person point of view of that ride now. They're like gondolas in a ski lift, and you slide down more than 1,300 feet of cable to the ground. There are 4 emergency baskets, each about the size of a small SUV, and can carry up to 5 people. Once everyone is safely on the ground, teams operating specialized emergency vehicles will drive them away from the launch pad. That's your Artemis Moon Minute.